Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in the market for a CRM tool to supercharge your sales game, you're probably weighing options like Pipedrive and SalesMate. In this video, we'll dive into how these two platforms stack up against each other in 2025, helping you decide which one fits your business needs. Let's jump right in. First off, both Pipedrive and SalesMate are designed to streamline sales processes, but their approaches differ significantly. Pipedrive is renowned for its visually intuitive pipeline management. Imagine a colorful drag-and-drop interface that makes tracking deals feel like playing a strategy game. It's perfect for small to medium-sized teams who want simplicity without overwhelming features. On the flip side, SalesMate offers more robust automation tools, like advanced email sequences and AI-driven insights, making it ideal for larger enterprises that need to scale quickly. When it comes to user experience, Pipedrive shines with its clean, mobile-friendly design, which means you can manage your sales on the go without a steep learning curve. SalesMate, however, packs in more customization options, allowing you to tailor workflows to your exact specifications, but this might require a bit more setup time for beginners. Pricing is another key differentiator. In 2025, Pipedrive starts at around $24 per user per month, making it a budget-friendly choice for startups. SalesMate's plans begin at about $19 per user per month, but they often include higher-tier features that could add up for growing teams. Both offer free trials, so you can test the waters. Integration-wise, Pipedrive integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Workspace and Zapier, emphasizing ease. SalesMate goes deeper with native integrations for marketing automation platforms, which could give it an edge for comprehensive ecosystems. Ultimately, if you're a sales representative who values straightforward visuals and quick wins, Pipedrive might be your go-to. But if you're running a more complex operation and need advanced analytics, SalesMate could be the winner. Remember, the best choice depends on your team's size, tech savviness, and goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and drop a comment below. Which CRM are you using? Let's chat. See you next time.